my Odogwu that knows how to take care of his Achalingo. Oh Jesus. I said I was going to come here to unbox this gift. I don't know. It's so special. Oh God. Someone tell me why. Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If you are hearing my voice for the first time, you are highly welcome. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys for coming back. I love you all. So in today's video, but first of all, long time no sit down video guys. So today I'm making these sit down videos to appreciate every special people in my life. Guys, guess what? If you can guess what I'm about to do in this video, drop it in the comment sections. My birthday was September 19th, and I have some amazing people that gifted me something so lovely, so precious, and I said I was going to come here to unbox this gift. So I'm here to unbox this, my special gifts. I don't know why it took me this long, but guys, it's better late than never, right? So you see this particular gift, it's so precious, it's so wonderful. My friend, my mother, she gifted me these precious gifts. Louis Vuitton. Can your friend ever see? Let me know in the comment section. Can your friend ever? Did you see the designers my friend gifted me? Did you see it? My friend, my special friend, my one and only Cynthia, my baby gifted me Louis Vuitton. Oh my God. I said I was going to come here to unbox this gift. I don't know. It's so special. Oh God. I wonder how many dollars she bought it with. Oh my God. I'm so happy, guys. I'm so happy. So let's unbox it together, guys. So this is it. There's even a okay. Oh, thank you very much, my friend. You know I love you. You know I love you so much. You know, right? So we have this inside and a card from Louis Vuitton. So beautiful. So let's just dive straight to the unboxing of this. And this is it again. I said I was going to do this unboxing for a very long time. I've been procrastinating. Oh, my friend. Oh my God. So cute, so lovely, so sweet. Oh my God. I think it's matching better with my outfit. What do you guys think? This is the purse I want to use. What's the purse I want to use, Esther? Oh yeah, I think it's matching better. I was supposed to use this. I think I should use this. Oh my God, it's so lovely, so sweet. Thank you so much, my friend. God bless you, my love. This means a lot to me. I love it. I appreciate it. I am so grateful. Like I'm short of words. Thank you so much. I said I was going to come online to appreciate you in the open, because I know you fought tooth and nail to get this precious gift for me, and it just shows me how much you value our friendship. I am so grateful. Thank you so much, my love. Cynthia, check her on Instagram, Glam Looks by Oma, and she's a makeup artist as well. Thank you so much. And the another gift I want to unbox here, because you see this gift is plenty, well. This is from my Odogwu Parara. Hey, I don't know how your Odogwu is treating you. Oh my God. Boy, you see this is my Odogwu. Hey, Jesus. My love, thank you so much. My husband gifted me a designer's perfume. Ah, God, I beg you. No more going to trade fair to buy perfume. Oh my God, you see this given shit. Oh God, help me. You see this deal. Oh Jesus. So I'm going to unbox it here. I have not used this perfume since. I said, no. Oh, come on, unbox it here. Oh Jesus. This is so nice. Thank you so much, my lovely husband. You guys already know that my husband took me on a vacation to 2 countries, Kenya and Zanzibar, for my birthday, and he did not stop there. He didn't stop there. What a lovely husband. I'm so blessed. I'm precious. Like, God, thank you so much. Thank you so much, my lovely husband. I love this. I have been looking forward to owning this. I didn't know that it is going to come the sun. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Wait, let us smell it. Oh, Jesus, I smell like $1,000,000. Oh, Jesus, this is so beautiful. I love it. Thank you so much, my husband. God bless you. Yes, and let's unbox the second one. This thing is really so beautiful. God, thank you. This is it. Hey God, I beg you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Oh my God, this is beautiful, amazing. See? Oh God, breathtaking, so lovely. Thank you so much, my lovely husband, my Odogwu. Odogwu, please. Thank you so much. And it's not end there. It didn't end there. You Macbook. Let's see what those. Jesus, this is so beautiful. Thank you so much, my husband. So let me give you a short story concerning these gifts. So I was having an issue with my laptop. Look at it here. I was having an issue. I've been working on my laptop and it will just trip off on its own. So I have to put it on power before I continue using it, guys. So I was managing it like that. So do you get? I was managing it. But before I know what was happening, the charger stopped working. I went to the market. I bought another charger. I just used that charger for once and it stopped working again. I was like, will I go to the market and buy another charger again? I don't understand. And I told my husband that I should please buy me another charger. Maybe he will know the original one. Maybe the ones I bought are all fake. He now said, okay, that he was going to buy me original charger. That is how this gentleman, this Odogwu, this my Odogwu Parara, now went to the Apple store. Instead of him to buy charger that took him there, he said, why should my Achalugo be using chargers every now and then? Why not my Achalugo use a brand new Apple Mac laptop, guys? And he got me this, like brand new, sealed with a carton. I said, I was so excited. I was screaming. I was shouting, guys. If you see my Odogwu, tell him God bless him. Hey, God bless him. So guys, let's unbox it together. Oh my God, so beautiful. See now. Hey, can your Odogwu ever? Again, my Odogwu that knows how to take care of his Achalugo. Oh Jesus. Beautiful. Guys. Oh my God. And it came with his own charger, original one, full com, so I don't have to go and be buying charger up and down every day. I don't have to be working on my system and my laptop will be tripping off. How, guys? So let's do it. Let's do it. This is slick. Beautiful, guys. Oh my God. So so beautiful. God, I love this. I love the color. I love how sleek it is. Ah, Jesus Christ. Okay, okay, yeah. Guys, oh my God. It's sweet to have everything open in carton. Oh. It's very, very sweet. See how sleek it is. See? Oh my God, guys, this is so beautiful. God. Whoosh. So I have to charge it. How did they used to want it? I'll go and charge it and on it. Okay, am I supposed to hold it long? Oh, thank you so much, my lovely husband. I don't know what I can do in this world without you. I don't know what I will do without you. This is beautiful. Anyway, let me go and charge it and come around. Thank you so much, guys. This is what I came here to do today. I came here to unbox these precious gifts because they mean a lot to me. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much, guys. We have come to the end of today's video. I'm going for an event, so I don't know that I should take you guys along. Do you want me to take you guys along? Do I? Okay, let's go. So we have not come to the end of this video actually. So let's go. This is my outfit for today. I've put it on light. Who is calling me like this? Cut it, give me the phone. So guys, I've powered it. English. Because
to use English as the main language, press the return key.
The return key. Because where's the return key? Okay, the return key. Yeah. Wait. Oh, wait. To select country. Seriously? Wait. To. Wow. Yes, Nigeria, my country.
macOS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac. If you would like to learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the Escape key.
So guys, I'm going to do all the host settings and everything later on, but this is just me try to show you guys what the Lord has done for me. So guys, thank you. So the escape key, where is the escape key? Okay, yes, good. So guys, let us go for this party. They are waiting for us. Let's go. So guys, I'm on my way to my event for today. Let's go together. Wow, it's been a long time I attended a party. So guys, this weekend is a weekend of party for me. So I have one today, I have another one tomorrow. Oh, so let's go.
In a house, she has children in overseas. I'm so proud to stand here. I can't finish. She's so great. She's an honorable personality. She has tried so much that if all Nigeria would judge, praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. What's his name? Joshua, a leader. You are a leader. Please, can we clap for him? Let's say please, Chiamaka. See the way they call you and you chant your landlord. Please, let's clap for her. AK, who is AK? AK. AK, who is AK? AK.
I'm a professional makeup artist. So for your events, for your big day, for your OM, just hit me on Beauty by Calista on Instagram. Send me a DM and right away we slay you all.
This is the time for celebration and dance. And what do I mean? Everybody will come to the dance floor. You will come with your children. This is where we'll dance and celebrate. And every member here, from the Rotary Club, church members, family members, everybody is expected to come out now and celebrate with mommy on the dance floor. Please, if you want to spray money, look at that box that is there. We have provided a box for you. Don't